Hey, what's happening? I'm Kelvin Reed. I just want to come on here today just to encourage somebody. You may be going through something in life, or you may feel like you're giving up, maybe even giving up on God, you know? So I just want to come here today just to encourage you, just to let you know that keep your faith. Keep your faith. Whatever your destiny to accomplish, believe this, by faith, that it's impossible to fail. Regardless of how things look and what's going on right now in your life, keep pushing, keep putting God first, and never ever quit. Don't give up. And I leave you with this right here. Tap into your faith. When you tap into your faith, your strength, you gain strength, you know, and you make things possible when you tap into your faith. So never quit, never give up. Stay on assignment. Keep your vision, keep your focus in front of you at all times. And keep God first. Till next time.